Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have a laptop lap desk here, and it looks like it's by ZEAPTAC. Let's open it up. Me and Penny here are gonna show it to you. Penny's very excited about this lap desk. And wow, it's really nice looking. Okay, so this is it here. See, it's got a nice solid wood kind of veneerish kind of wood thing there. And then on the bottom, it's got the soft cushion. So it can be like that. So I can just put this on my lap. I can't aim me down. There we go. Put it on my lap. I could have my laptop on it. I could put my iPad on it, whatever I want to do. So if I wanted to have it up like this, whatever, I could be using my iPad, my laptop. Thank you for licking me, my dog. And it's very cool. So it's nice. It's a nice, sturdy desk. Right, Penny? Okay, it's a nice little sturdy desk, and it's a good size. I could probably have my laptop on it. I don't think I could have like a full mouse and keyboard and all that stuff going on it, but you get the idea. So super cool. I like this, and good laptop desk, really nice. So thumbs up for sure.